Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this session, we'll be playing a ukulele, and we'll be strumming chords to Ed Sheeran's 2-step. The ukulele is tuned G, C, E, A. We're going to go through the chords that we'll use as they appear in the tune. The first one is E minor, G, D, back to E minor, C, D, C, and B7. For the strumming of the tune, we can get away with a straight down up pattern like this. But we're going to have to change the chords like this. E minor, 1, 2, 3, G, D, 1, 2, 3, E minor, C, 2, 3, D, C, 2, 3, B7, then back to E minor. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And once we've got the hang of it, we can play along with the song, and it'll sound like this. Well, all right, my friends, that's easy chord strumming on the ukulele to 2-step by Ed Sheeran. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.